It says, we hope that all participants will in this group discussion during the seminar. All right. Now, one key thing to look at is the preposition in. Okay, so we have the preposition in. And always be aware of those prepositions that surround the word choices. Okay, so we know there's the preposition in. Now, we also know that after will, we need a verb. Well, the good news is everything here is a verb. Involve is a verb. Discuss is a verb. Engage is a verb. Respect can be a verb. All of these can be verbs. So we know it's going to be one of these verbs plus in. So let's look at the first one, involve. Now, let's think of this verb involve. And I'm going to give you some examples. So we have a riot. We had a riot in Vancouver because of ice hockey. And the riot involved many people. Okay, the riot involved many people. So many people were there. All right, so the riot involved object. Then you're thinking about your job, or I'm thinking about my job. And I said, my job involves answering students' questions and freaking out when they are on their cell phone in class. Cell phones sometimes frustrate me, but I understand it's the 21st century. Notice once again that if I use my job involves, I have an object after it. So this is the rule. If you use involve as a verb, you must have an object. If I just say I involved, people are going to say I involved what? So if we look here, there is no object after involve. So involve is wrong because I don't say will involve in. Now I know why people make this mistake, because when you use the adjective involved, you have in after the adjective. And let's look at an example. The riot involved many people. Perfect. Okay? Subject involves object. But as the adjective, many people were involved in the riot. See that? This is an adjective. I have a be verb before. Many people were involved in the riot. Or I say the production of the vaccine involved many researchers. That's the verb. The production involved many researchers. Object. But researchers were involved in the production of the vaccine. So involve is wrong here for this TOEIC question because you're using it as a verb. You must have an object. You can't just go to the preposition. All right, so we got rid of involve. The next one, discuss. Why is discuss wrong? Because discuss is like involve. It must have an object. So if I say, I discussed, you're going to say, you discussed what? Give me some details. So we discussed the movie. We discussed the event. All right. So now we have engage and respect. Now, engage is like participate. And I participate in the class. I engage in the class. So if you engage in something, you participate in something. So engage, if you use it as a verb and you're talking about an activity, you engage in an activity. You participate in an activity. So the best answer is engage. So I could say, yeah, I engaged in an interesting conversation with my friend. All right, and why is respect wrong? Respect is like involve. Respect is like discuss. You need an object. So if I say, I respect, you're going to say, you respect what? You need an object. So if they said, we hope that all participants will respect each other in the group discussion, that's fine. But here, we don't have a noun or an object after respect. So as I said, the best answer is engage. If you engage in something, you participate in something. All right, I hope you learned something today. Please comment, like, share, ask any questions. Good luck with your TOEIC, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.